back to my channel. My name is Vaishali, and if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon right there so that you always get updated whenever I post a new video. So today's video is in collaboration with Foxy, a new platform that connects beauty influencers and artists with top brands and savvy shoppers. So today I have created this look right here. This is a very beautiful glossy look. The overall look is glossy, the eyes and lips and the whole face has this shine, and this look basically represents the ramp makeup look, and I think this is a very pretty look. So without further ado, let's get into the video and let's see how I created this look. Final look. I hope you guys like the video and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Also, I would like to mention all of the products which I've used are available at Foxy, so I'll keep the link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. They have huge discounts and everything, so you can purchase all of these products from Foxy. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you all like it, then please do give it a big thumbs up and do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.